In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the performance of this 20,000 mAh Anker battery bank. I did some tests over 2 days to see how fast and how long this portable battery charger charges a Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. The results show that it charges faster than the OEM wall charger, and it gave over 300% charge, or about 6.5 hours of charge. I will go into the details. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. We all may at some point in our lives been in a situation when our phone battery is dead or about to die, and to charge the phone with a wall charger is not ideal. Not so long ago, we solved this issue by having multiple phone batteries to swap out in the phone, but the batteries in flagship cell phones these days are built in the phone and can't be swapped out that easily. Hence, innovators came up with a new solution. This solution is a portable battery bank, which is convenient, affordable, and easy to carry along with your mobile phone. I purchased this 20,000 mAh Anker portable USB and Type-C battery bank on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. Everything that comes with the battery bank is in this little box. There are 4 items in the box: the instruction guide, this protective carrying pouch, a Type-C to Type-C power cable, and of course, the battery bank. It supports a regular USB as well as a Type-C port. It measures 6 inches by 3 inches and very lightweight. The battery bank weighs 12.1 ounce, which is only 2.8 ounce heavier than the Samsung Note 20 Ultra in a case. So carrying this battery bank around will be equivalent to carrying a second smartphone. The battery bank comes with a little charge, and I am going to leave it to be fully charged with this fast charging wall charger that came with the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. This flashing light here indicates that it is being charged. The pouch that comes with the battery bank is a perfect fit, and this will give the battery bank some level of protection. I will always keep it in this pouch. When all bars are lit like this, with no flashing, it is fully charged. Each bar represents the charge level in percentage. The first bar represents 25%, the second is 50%, the third is 75%, and the fourth bar is 100%. To charge your mobile devices, just plug in your cable and the battery bank will automatically turn on. The power delivery and the quick charge features make it possible for the battery bank to quickly power up virtually any mobile device. Also, this battery bank comes with trickle charging mode. This provides a safe, optimized charging to low power devices such as Bluetooth earphones and speakers. To activate this mode, press the power button twice or hold for 2 seconds. The LED indicator will turn green. To exit this mode, press the power button once again. Now let's go into the test results. All tests were done with the mobile phone having at least 41% power left. The mobile phone was heavily used during 2 of the tests, delivering Amazon Flex and Grubhub packages, and the phone was recharged to 100% as soon as it reached close to 40%. The power in the battery bank was fully depleted in 2 days, and the final charge went up to 90%. When the battery bank is fully depleted, the 25% LED indicator flashes like this. The battery bank was really put to the test for test number 4 and 5 because the phone was being heavily used to deliver Amazon packages. So the result will be a good representation of the capability of this battery bank. In fact, many individuals use their mobile devices while they are being charged. The results will also be compared to the performance of the Samsung OEM wall charger. Now let's go into the summary of the results. With a combination of low to heavy phone usage while the phone was being charged by the Anker portable battery bank, the battery bank almost completed 5 separate charges from at least 40% to 100%. For the first test result, the battery bank took 66 minutes to charge the Samsung Note 20 Ultra from 43% to 100%. 64 minutes to charge a phone from 43% to 100% on the second charge, 73 minutes to charge a phone from 43% to 100% on the third charge, 44 minutes to charge the phone from 41% to 100% on the fourth charge, but under heavy usage. The battery bank finally died after 91 minutes of charging the phone from 47% to 91% on the fifth and final portable battery bank charge test, which was also done under heavy usage. This is when the battery bank died after 2 days of charge, and you can see that the phone battery is 91% and the LED light is flashing, which is indicating that the battery is exhausted. I also charged the Samsung Note 20 Ultra using the OEM wall charger to find out the charge speed. The OEM wall charger took 77 minutes to charge the phone from 43% to 100% on the low usage. To take an overview look at the results, you can see that the first, second, and third charges were similar to the performance of the Samsung OEM wall charger. The wall charger took a bit longer to charge the Samsung Note 20 Ultra when compared to the portable battery bank. On average, the portable charger took about 68 minutes to charge from 43% to 100%, which is 9 minutes faster than the OEM wall charger, which took 77 minutes. This is a testament as to how good this portable battery bank is. In summary, the portable charger gave about 388 minutes of charge, which is about 6.5 hours of charge time. This charge time gave 311% battery charge, which represents a little over 3 full charges from 0% to 100% battery charge. The batteries in mobile devices will run down while not on charge, and having charge on your mobile devices can be critical in certain situations. Having a portable battery bank will keep your mobile devices charged while on the move, and this 20,000 mAh Anker portable battery bank does a great job for less than $50. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.